Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Nothing better than easy, tasty and a healthy meal to make. So I choose today one of my favorite Chinese dish I always make at home, and it's a shrimp and Shanghai Bok Choy. So I have here red bell pepper, Shanghai style Bok Choy, jumbo shrimp, and I have here some sesame oil, rice vinegar, oyster sauce and soy sauce, and red green onion, fresh garlic and a fresh ginger. So I'm gonna begin with the bok choy. I'm gonna slice it and give it a quick rinse and have it ready. So cut in half, just take some of the leaves out, keep the mini one, and if there's a big one, just give it a quick slice in the middle and ready to be washed. This meal takes less than 3-minute cooking, so always good to have everything chopped and ready to go. Ginger fine chop. Ginger and garlic pretty much is my medicine. Fresh garlic, fine chop as well. Green onion, here we go. And for the shrimp, I'm going to remove the tail and I'm gonna butterfly them. Just a quick butterfly. So tail remove and butterfly. Now we're gonna bring the water to boil because we're going to blanch the bok choy. And here I'm gonna combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, about 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch, and we're gonna mix it together very well. And now ready to start cooking. So stove on the medium, vegetable oil, so let's cook the onion, garlic, red pepper first, and the ginger. And then we're gonna add the shrimp. So when we butterfly the shrimp, this is the shape it gives you when it's cooked. Now when the shrimp almost ready, we're gonna put the sauce we mix in. Now let's blanch the bok choy. Always when you blanch any greens, add a little tiny bit of oil. Bok choy all goes in. So only for 30 seconds because we want to keep it nice and crisp. And look at that beauty. Make sure you drain them very well. Give it nice mix all together. So quick mix, and now turn off and ready to be served. Yum. I'm going to add a little chili flakes and ready to eat. Wow, the bok choy is still nice and crisp, full of flavor, easy to make, healthy meal for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.